My name's Philip Kivett, and today I'm going to be talking about what the Affordable Care Act is and whether or not it is an intrusion of government. So first, the Affordable Care Act is a United States federal statute signed into law by President Barack Obama on March 23, 2010. The intent of the ACA is to provide a public option of health insurance to all citizens and legal resident aliens who would otherwise be uninsurable. ACA requires states to offer low-cost health insurance coverage through benefit exchange markets based on the marginal adjusted gross income of applicants. For California, ACA expands the federal poverty level to 138% for people to qualify under Medi-Cal insurance. Now that expands it in order to qualify more people who were previously not covered under Medi-Cal. And Medi-Cal is an insurance program funded by the state of California and the federal government. Now, as far as whether or not ACA is an example of unwarranted government intrusion, I believe it is. I believe it is unwarranted government intrusion in commercial and personal affairs. The reason for this is that nowhere in the Constitution is it expressed, implied, or inherent that health care or access to it is a right. Furthermore, forcing individuals to buy a specific product violates the U.S. Supreme Court ruling in Bailey versus Drexel Furniture, 1936, that stated that, quote, Congress cannot regulate through taxation that which it cannot otherwise regulate. Since Congress does not have the power to regulate inactivity, it also lacks the power to penalize individuals for the very same inactivity, end quote. I believe that what ACA does is it forces people to purchase a specific product and then punishes them for not doing so, and in this case through fiscal penalties and taxation. Regarding the ethics involved with ACA, I would argue that it is unethical. Using teleological theory, the intent of the ACA seems well placed, but the outcomes have the exact opposite effects. For example, since passage, healthcare premiums have increased drastically. Months after passage of the ACA, the Kaiser Foundation reported premium increases of 15%. According to the Heartland organization, California premiums are estimated to increase 23 to 66% by 2014. If healthcare premiums continue to increase faster than wages can keep up, the affordable aspect of the ACA then becomes nullified. Furthermore, according to the Fresno County Department of Social Services, an estimated 159,351 individuals are eligible for health coverage under ACA in Fresno County alone. This represents a 16.9% increase in demand with no foreseeable increase in supply of local medical practitioners. Applying the laws of supply and demand, this will result in an increase in healthcare costs. This underscores the unaffordability of the Affordable Care Act, and it highlights the lack of care that will be provided for newly insured patients. Thank you.